What's up? I'm Mike from Team Unnecessary. This is my latest bike set. Got the 21-inch Cardinal Ambassador frame with the premium 25T sprocket. Got the Shadow Conspiracy crank. Got some Poison Ass music behind me. Got the Demolition back rim, 9-tooth driver. Got my Still Going Strong Pyro fork. Premium light V2 front rim laced with a profile racing hub. Got my stolen Tonzik stem. Got my stolen mid bars with Edwin De La Rosa grips, animal seat, the animal seat post. Got my Odyssey PC twisted pedals, and got my butcher pipes. And that's pretty much it.